Here's the orientation of the trigger spring, disconnector, and the disconnector spring. When putting the pieces in, notice the spring will point forward like this. The trigger pin will then be pushed in from the side. You'll have to wiggle the trigger to get the holes to line up just right. Next, install the hammer spring onto the hammer as shown here. When installing this piece, the spring will bend as shown here, down over the trigger pin that we just installed. Then you can install the hammer pin, rocking the hammer back and forth until the holes line up and the pin slides in. Next, test the function on your fire control group by disengaging your safety and holding your hand between the hammer and the lower receiver as you pull the trigger. Also check that the trigger doesn't engage with the safety in the off position. Here we are testing the pull weight of the trigger. The first stage is 1.75 pounds to the wall. The second stage is just under 1 pound, for a total pull weight of 2.6 pounds. This particular Schmid trigger is lighter than the advertised pull weight of 3.5 pounds, plus or minus 1/2 pound.